But when you combine the whole food lifestyle and the essential oils and the supplements that doTERRA offers, it's just like awesomeness. It's like so many benefits stacked on top of each other. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to answer the question, where can I buy doTERRA essential oils? Because that's a common question that comes up. It's usually, you know, after somebody has an oil experience and they're like, oh, I really enjoyed that. How much is it? Where can I buy it? Price depends, wholesale or retail. I usually ask them, which one do you want? And they're like, what's the difference? And that kind of starts a nice little conversation of, hey, I cover that in a class that you can do one-on-one or group classes or even online in the comfort of your home. You can even wear your pajamas or underwear or panties or whatever, you know what I'm saying. Okay, anyways, I digress. It was family friendly and it was moving towards some of the other parts of YouTube that let's not explore. Okay, all right, and then, hey, where can I buy them though? Like, is it online? Is it on a piece of paper? I mean, is it over the phone? Can I do it through text? What's going on? And so there's a few ways that you can buy. Number one is doTERRA.com. So you're assigned to somebody that you don't know. And that can be okay if somebody just wants it to be transactional and not relational with regards to what they're going through. But it's so important to kind of move towards another option, which I'll cover shortly. The other is Amazon. So there are some people that are selling dirty, as I call it, because it's against company policy to sell doTERRA on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or any kind of website like that. And so it has to be from doTERRA's website that you link from your own doTERRA approved website or doTERRA certified website, which is fine, but it has to, the transaction has to go through doTERRA.com basically. And so that is something to keep in mind. And the other thing is retail, right? You can get retail from a person from doTERRA.com, but really, I mean, that's just if you want the oils but not a discount. And that's kind of like going to maybe, I'm trying to think, going to Target but not Costco. So Target, you know, you won't get as much savings, but you still can kind of get what you need. The best way that I recommend for my clients to get started with is as a wholesale customer, because then you get 25 to 55% off your oils. You can join the optional loyalty rewards program. It's going to help you move towards that 55% discount rate. And then you also get a free product of the month. And it's, again, like Costco, frequent flyer program, discount up front, savings for just purchasing oils. You get free oils, free product credits. Amazing. Been using it for 5+ years now. Love it. Love it. And so that is basically how you do it. And you do that through a person that you know, like, and trust. And I would add somebody that provides excellent customer service and response time. So that is responding within 24 hours, ideally, best in class, or within 48 hours is more reasonable. And then anything after that is probably not a person who is really focused on giving you that type of time and attention that you're looking for, at least in the beginning. Because my goal is always empower my clients with a kit, it's an enrollment kit, and then also with a wellness consult to show them how to use all the oils in their kit so it doesn't collect dust or become paperweights. And then after that, you know, show them how to make orders online, update their cart, the LRP if they want to get a part of that. I mean, roughly about a third of wholesale customers do that, LRP. And the others just are one-time buyers or one and done. Or they may purchase here and there every 3 to 4 months or every quarter, roughly. And that's fine too. People buy things based on what they value, what they prioritize in their life. I understand that. We vote with our dollar. I just hope that people vote with something that's natural, safe, and effective. Even if it's not with me, even if it's not doTERRA, something that's essential oils or natural product-based, organic, non-GMO, stuff like that. Or even if somebody just goes more of the whole food produce route, that's great too. Something that's just plant-based, helps yourself, helps your family, awesome. But when you combine the whole food lifestyle and the essential oils and the supplements that doTERRA offers, it's just like awesomeness. It's like so many benefits stacked on top of each other, very synergistic. And that's what helps me with my health so much, like from a stress, energy, digestion, sleep, immune system support standpoint, just every aspect has just been enhanced. And everything I would say is under control. And nothing's out of control, and if it starts to slip, I know what oils to use, which is really amazing. It's really empowering, and it helps me save time and money and frustration. So, love all that. Well, that concludes today's video. Hopefully you got some value out of it today. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can learn how to get oils retail, so you can learn how to become a wholesale customer or wellness advocate if you're interested in sharing essential oils. All 3 options. Choice is up to you. I'll have the link in the description below so you can check that out. Or if you just want to learn more because you're just kind of exploring what this whole doTERRA thing is all about, I do have other videos that I'll have down below too. Alright, well, we'll see you in the next video.